workshop has been well organized by Yuka and the team from Perituza. Our students gain knowledge and they shared experiences, and also they learn how to improve their curriculum vitae, how to face interviews, how to improve their soft skills and team collaboration apart from the technical sessions they conducted.
The workshop was conducted with a small number of students, so more attention was given to the participants and we were able to learn more. Our resumes were reviewed and interviews helped us prepare to face real-world interviews.
This workshop gave us an unforgettable experience with much more fun and engaging activities, and the fact that it not just focused only on technical side but also how to improve our personality to be a successful person in the industry was really amazing, and I'm really grateful for that.